Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video. If you have a BMW 5 Series, I'm talking about generation E60 E61, and you need to remove or replace your alternator. Also guys, make sure you stay until the end. We will explain guys how to test an alternator that can actually kill your battery, and to make sure that the alternator diode pack is working correctly, because you may have an alternator that's working correctly, but once you turn your car off, it actually kills your battery. So make sure you stay until the end. That video should cover guys generation E60 E61 from year 2002 all the way to 2010. We'll demonstrate how to do that on a 6-cylinder and 52 engine, but even if you have a different 6-cylinder engine, the procedure will be very similar. Now if you guys have 4-cylinder or 8-cylinder engine, the 4-cylinder engine you can find it in Europe. Here in the US we have 6 and 8-cylinder engines only. The procedure may be helpful and teach you what to do, but the location of the alternator may be different. Before we start, let me tell you guys, if you need to buy a new alternator, parts, any of the special tools that we use, we'll put guys the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. Another thing, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. And why we do that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. So let us show you guys what we have here and what we're going to work on. Specifically, as I said, this is N52 engine. It can be found in BMW 523, 525, 528, 530. Now, if you have the 535, procedure will be very similar as well, but it will be the twin turbo engine, guys. Before we start, okay, a few things that we need to do, otherwise you can guys severely damage your car, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. But let me tell you one thing, guys. Check this channel out, how to repair, guys. This is our main YouTube channel, guys. Our main YouTube channel, we have helped more than 75 million people. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars in future car repairs. So this is guys your alternator. Your alternator has a few bolts holding it. You also have a wire that goes inside to the instrument cluster, to the engine computer, and tells if the alternator is charging or not. You have a wire that's a 12-volt wire that's going to the car battery and charges the wire. If you touch that wire with a tube to anywhere on the engine, even the alternator on the outside, you will guys cause sparks, short, and that can destroy your electrical system, computers, so that could be catastrophic. What you will need to do, you will need to disconnect your car battery, guys. Okay, that's number one. So you don't cause damage to the electrical system, engine, computers, anything like that. But on modern cars, guys, most of you don't know, but it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect first and which one you reconnect first. And we have a video that explains all that. If you don't do it the right way, there is a chance that you can cause damage to your car. We did that in the past on a Mercedes, and it cost us $2,000 because we burnt one of the computers because we did it the wrong way. So guys, check it out. Okay, I'll put a link to a video that explains how to properly connect and disconnect car battery on a modern car. Once the car battery is disconnected, okay, you can go ahead, okay, and disconnect the wire. This is the wire actually that goes to the cluster, that tells, okay, to the instrument cluster if the alternator is charging or not. You need to press down here, okay, and pull it out. Pretty simple. Next, okay, 13mm socket, guys, or 1/2 works as well. You need to remove the nut for that bolt actually, okay, that is, okay, right there, that is holding the 12-volt charging wire. Make sure you don't drop the nut. Usually you will have the air filter box here. We have it removed. Usually they're very simple to remove. I think we have a video on the channel how to remove an air filter box on BMW with that engine. If not, guys, just check it out, super simple. After that, you need to release the belt, because the alternator is driven by your serpentine belt. You need to get a torque socket, huge one. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. Release, guys. Okay, and pull the belt out. Great. Next, what do we need to do after that, guys? Okay, after that we need to remove, okay, here you will have that hose, okay, will be attached. This vacuum hose will be attached to the alternator with that clip. Ours is broken, so we don't have this one. Otherwise you have to disconnect it. We need to get a reverse torque socket. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. Perfect. And now we need to go ahead and remove 4 bolts that hold the alternator. 1, okay, all the way out, long bolt. Okay, number 2, Okay, let me look at that bolt quick. Is that aluminum bolt or that's a steel bolt? If it's the aluminum bolt, super light bolt, you need to replace them after every use, guys. And we'll put the links in the description of the video below. Because those are torque to yield bolt, and it's recommended to replace them every time. If you guys actually want to see where we get them from, check out the links. Hold the alternator on the last bolt because it will start dropping. Okay, and this is, guys, your alternator. You have the last two bolts right here. Check it out. You have that bracket that holds your vacuum hose there as well. So I'll leave those here not to lose them. And that's how you guys remove your alternator. If you want to see how to test it, make sure that it doesn't kill your battery. We have that video, guys, and I'll put the link in the description of the video below, how to test alternator on a BMW 5 Series. So check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.